Okay, it is the 17th of the 7th, 2003. It is 3:30 in the afternoon. This is the second test run after replacing the EJ something board, the EJH board. The first one was successful, but was only moving from positions 1 to 5 to 6, 1 to 6 to 11 to 16. This one will be doing the diagonals on tray 1. Okay. Otherwise, I'm going to have a mistake. Not sure I'm moving if each spot is around. Otherwise, it won't be electronics. This is a repeat of, well, today is the 17th of the 7th. It's a Wednesday. The time is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We are doing a repeat of the test we've just done, which is diagonal movements moving from position from 5 to 6 to 10 to 11 to 15 to 16.